Math 1 EOC Practice Test number 10. One end of a metal spring is attached to a ceiling. The other end of the spring hangs down. The table displays the length of the spring when different masses are tied to the end of the spring that hangs down. All right, our table says the mass tied to the spring in kilograms and the length of the spring in centimeters. All right, well, you can see that these go 0, 2, 4, 6, even numbers here. How much longer does the spring become with each extra kilogram of mass that is tied to it? All right, so each extra kilogram, since this goes by twos, each time it goes by twos, this says each kilogram, which means by 1. Okay, to find out how much it goes by 1, what we have to do is take these numbers and divide them. Okay, add them up and then divide them. So you're just kind of finding the average. So since they're both 439, we can really just look at the 10th place. And 0.1 divided by 2 is going to be 0.05. If you want to check yourself or you're not sure how to do that in your head because it's a decimal, all you have to do is look at your calculator and type in 0.1 and divide that by 2. And that's going to give you 0.05. Now the reason we do that is again because we're looking for each kilogram, and this is giving you 2 kilograms. So from here to here is a difference of 2 kilograms. You also could do 439.0 plus 439.1. Add those up and divide it by 2, and it's also going to give you the 439.05. But it says the difference, since this is already 439, it's just the 0.05 difference. So again, it's easier if you just look at the tenths place, but you also should be able to get it if you look at it this way as well. So the answer is P.